So as mentioned, hopefully you've been able to follow the setup instructions included at the beginning of this course, or linked to at the beginning of this course. If you haven't done so, now is an excellent time to stop and go through those. You really want to get the Scala REPL able to run and SBT able to run from the command line, and install IntelliJ Community Edition, the latest version of that. If you've already managed to get this, you can go ahead and start Scala from the command line, so I'm going to do that, and then we'll try a couple of things in here. So to get Scala running, just type Scala at the command line, and you should see it come up with a recent version. I've got 2.12.3 on here. You'll probably see 2.12.4. I just need to update mine. It won't make a difference for the purposes of this course. And here at the command line now, I can type some things. So a good choice whenever you go into something new is to type help. And it tells you right here, you can type :help. And this will give you a list of commands that you can do or use in here. We'll run through a few of these as we go through this part of the course. The other thing you can do is just type simple expressions in. So if I type in 1, Scala does a bit more than just repeat 1 back to me. It actually assigns it to this res0 here, which is just a result. It's a memory result. If I do another one, I'll get res1. And that's another result that I can use, and I can refer to these, so I can now say res0 plus res1, and that will give me 3. The other thing you'll notice is that there is a type here included on the result. It knows that 1 is an int, so the type of res1 has been inferred to be an int. The same for 2, res2 or res1 is also an int with value 2, and then when I add them together, adding an int to an int gives me another int. So again, I've got a strong type provided for me here, a static type of int, which has been inferred by Scala.